Pink's precious book is right here. I got it. I got Pink's precious book. Oh,
Yes.
Lou. Yay.
Uh-oh.
You stole my precious book. Get back here. 2 hours later. Good thing I ran away from Pink and got her precious book. I can't wait to read the precious book of our diaries. I think that's what she keeps been having her diaries in here. Oh no. Oh, take that. Whoops. Hey, I thought Blue was supposed to come with me. Yeah, he was supposed to, but Peg was not here yesterday. Oh no, what's going on with my friend? Oh, doing. Oh. Ha! Pinky got hit by an apple. If you laugh at that video, you're gonna get it. Oh no! I gotta get out of here. No, sir. Oh no! You're gonna get it again from reading my diary. Oh dear. The boop. Is there anything I can do? Can you be quiet? Bam. Ooh. Just for that. Jeez, I am not wanting to know what it is. Peg, please leave me alone for right now. I am not in the mood to go back in the house. Ha! Pink got hit in the apple again. Ha 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 ha. I'm laughing at you. It's a funny video. Ha! It just got 1 million viewers. Ah, 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 ah. I think I was, well, I don't know, was I, oh, well, it's... Oh, I got a beautiful cake. And it's gonna be for Peg. I wonder, I'm just gonna put it in my pocket for later. Or think Pinky won't mind. When I made it, I forgot it was her cake. I was not supposed to give it to... Ah! You better not be hiding that cake. You better not. Oh, we gotta get out of here. How did we tell Peg that I wanted to stay out of her house? You get back in with that cake. No, I had it first. You get back in with the cake thief. Where's my cake? Are you okay? Oh, don't mention it. You haven't seen me in the last few episodes. Ugh. Made by Jaquin. Hi, My name is Jaquin. Wait a minute. What's that falling sound effect? Oh. Oh! Look, it's one of those metal balls that fell out of the sky. Well, but at least nothing else is coming there. Now what's the falling sound effect for? Another thing is coming down? Please tell me that's enough items for today. Ugh! Oh, I feel dizzy. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm really about to... Ah! Make it stop! Whoa, whoa. Quick, we gotta save him, Gio. I am trying my best there. Oh, hey, are you the new person who's coming to work with us? Wait a minute. I thought you were supposed to be with somebody else. I was. And you probably don't know I've been here before. What do you mean? Because I came here back, I remember you, so I'm gonna attack you. Oh. That deserves what he gets. Okay, I think that's not all. Where did you get that bowling ball from? I got it from your ward. This is what you get for hitting me in the face first. You started it. Hey, if that bowling ball hits my head, then my brain is gonna come out. It went in my mouth. Whoa, 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 no, it went on my back. I think my spine is broken. Yeah, that's what you get for hitting me, though. Now, I have to go find a massaging store. They closed the other one down the street. If not... Wait, now what's with the falling sound? I thought we said we were gonna start with the falling sound effect. No, what is it? Oh, hello guys. It's me. Sorry, I came back because I ate Chick-fil-A. But you won't be seeing me for a while, huh? My eyebrows really do come out usually because I'm a cartoon character and that doesn't matter. Oh, and I still want to get the revenge on that guy. You're gonna pay for this. Wait, no. You would not dare just hold out that eraser. No. What are you doing? Who are you? I don't know. Who are you? Huh? Wait a minute. Who the heck are you? Hey, did I reach you for no reason and this is what happens? I second that. Ah, it's an invited person I don't know. Ooh. 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 Why do keep hitting me in the wall. I'm gonna turn it to pieces. Oh. That guy, I hit him, that guy too hard. I think I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, I'm just gonna get out for too. So yeah, I'm out. Choo! I'm running away. Me too. We're both running.